One of the co-accused of embattled religious leader Pastor Apollo Kibuloy in the qualified human trafficking and child abuse cases has been arrested in Davao City. Interior Secretary Benher Abalos discloses Pauline Canada was arrested past 1 p.m. on Thursday, July 11 in a subdivision in Cabantian, Davao City. According to Abalos, an anonymous caller on July 9 informed the Davao City Police about the whereabouts of Canada. He says the announcement of the 1 million peso bounty for each of Kibuloy's co-accused was instrumental to the arrest.
Maski papano ay nakatulong ang reward dito dahil nga dito sa tumawag na ito. Sa mga nagbabatikos tungkol sa reward, uulitin ko lang. Ito ay galing sa mga pribadong tao, hindi ho binibigay sa akin ito. Sila mismo ang magbibigay doon sa tao in format, hindi dumaan at malinaw po yan, inanunsyo natin yan. Ang importante ay magkatulungan at mahuli ang mga pugante.
Meanwhile, Abalos is urging Kibuloy and the remaining co-accused to surrender to authorities.
Lumiliit na ho ang mga pinagtataguan ninyo. Lumiliit na ang mga lugar na ito dahil hindi ho titigil ang kapulisyan, ang military, ang buong pwersa ng gobyerno para kayo ay dakipin. Ang amin lang po mensahe ay please, kung talagang wala kayong kasalanan, sumuko na kayo.
Aside from Kibuloy, Crescente Canada, Ingrid Canada, Sylvia Semañez, and Jacqueline Roy remain at large. Kibuloy and his 5 subordinates are facing charges for violating the anti-child abuse law, specifically the provision on sexual abuse of minors and maltreatment, and for qualified human trafficking, a non-bailable offense.